If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we're gonna open Settings on your phone. Now over here in Settings, scroll down and search for Wallpaper and Style. Next, we should be able to tap on More Wallpapers here at the bottom of the screen, and then you should be able to choose a photo at the top. Now we can select the photo that we wish to use as a wallpaper. You can of course tap on the preview in order to make some adjustments to zoom in and zoom out and move around the photo if needed. There we go. Let's say we're gonna use something like this. Let's tap on this check. At the bottom we can use effects. So if you tap over here, we should be able to get some effects that you can apply quite easily, like for example one of these shapes in here. You can also adjust the intensity of the color. You can also apply a weather, so for example you can add a fog, let's say, a snow, and so on and so forth. And also we have some cinematic 3D motion available as well if you download it. Besides that, you can apply the same thing pretty much for the home screen too. And once you're ready, tap on the next in the upper right corner, choose on which screen you want to apply the wallpaper, and then use the apply button. And after a couple of seconds it should be done. There you go. Leave a like and subscribe.